Welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to take a look at the top 3 NFT marketplaces that you can start exploring today to find your next top NFT project. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, and let's go ahead and get started. The first NFT marketplace that we're going to talk about today is OpenSea. OpenSea has been around for almost 5 years and is the pioneer of the NFT industry. All the major projects like CryptoPunks, Bored API Club, the Mutant API Club, and many more have been launched and minted in OpenSea. So it is one of the most prestigious but also most accessible NFT marketplace out there. Okay, so let's take a look at the marketplace. So once you land on their website, OpenSea.io, you can click here on Explore, and you'll be able to see different collections, right? And you can categorize them as trending, top, art, collectibles, domain names. They also have music, photography, sports. So you can go here and you can actually explore all the different types of collections that they have in the marketplace. So also make sure that you do your research once you are going to invest into an NFT projects, because there's so much noise out there. So make sure you do your own research and you are diligent about every collection that you're trying to. So you can also, look for a specific NFT collection by typing in on the search bar. OpenSea is actually the biggest NFT marketplace in volume as well. They process over $5 billion a month in volume for NFTs, okay? And then also, if you click right here on stats and you click on rankings, you can also see the collections that are currently ranking based on volume, the floor price, which is basically the bid and the ask for that specific collections, the amount of owners for that specific collection, and the items in that specific collection, okay? So just a pro tip right here, what you can do is that you can scroll down, right? And you can actually see what's trending and go ahead and do more research to find those low cap gem collections that could potentially appreciate over time. Okay, right now one collection that is very popular is this one, OK Bears. It's been minted and it's running on the Solana blockchain, and the Solana NFTs right now are the next narrative. So as also another pro tip right there, you can go and dive into the Solana NFT projects, try to find some good ones. Again, this is for educational purposes only. Do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. And also make sure to check the links down below for all the gifts, for all the major benefits and bonuses that we are bringing you every single day. Right, so as you can see here, there's a list of all the top ranking projects right here, okay? So the way you use OpenSea, you will have to connect your wallet right here. You will click here and you would connect your MetaMask wallet, your Coinbase wallet, other type of wallets that they also have, okay? So make sure that you have Ethereum, because once you buy NFTs on the marketplace, you will have to pay the gas fees to actually buy the NFT. This is one of the top NFT marketplace that you can explore today and look for some great projects that are very undervalued and potentially have great return on investment. All right, so the next NFT marketplace is Rarible. So Rarible is gaining a lot of momentum as well, simply because they have this multi-chain approach. Okay, so they have different blockchains they are integrated into their marketplace, so the creators can launch the NFTs on Ethereum, Flow, Tezos, and Polygon. And we all know the Ethereum gas fees are very expensive, so having that option right there to use other blockchains is definitely massive advantage for the users and also for the artists of Rarible. Okay, they also have the token, the Rarible token, which is their governance token that it's used for for the governance of the protocol, okay? As you can see right here, you can click on explore and you can click on all, and it will give you the different collections that are available on the marketplace, okay? So it's pretty cool because it is less popular marketplace, but most projects, they often launch on Rarible, and then they also pivot to other marketplaces as well. So it's definitely a good source of great projects you can explore earlier on before anyone else, okay? So as you can see, they have a different variety of NFTs and the collections. Of course, they have also the most popular collections, right? And you can also select by the blockchain, right? So if you click here on Tezos, for example, you click apply, it will show us the collections that have been launched on the Tezos blockchains right here. Okay, so and again, the way you use the marketplace, you simply click here on sign in, and then you will connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. You'll be able to get connected to marketplace. All right, the next marketplace NFT that I want to bring you is SuperRare. Okay, SuperRare is a little bit more like kind of a high-end NFT marketplace where they have a different process of handpicking the artist. So the actual NFTs you are exploring and you're seeing on SuperRare is more high-end, high quality. Okay, as you can see, also the layout of the marketplace, it looks like more professional, kind of like more art gallery type of vibe, very formal. But for some people, they like this type of art. The SuperRare marketplace is definitely the place to go, okay? They do have all these beautiful arts that have been categorized in different collections, right? They have all these collections right here of this hand-picked artist, which makes the entire platform very unique right here. The difference from SuperRare and Rarible and OpenSea is that here, like, they favor more the single artist rather than specific project, right? So if you click here on more, right, it will show you the top artist, and it will show you the amount of works created, the works sold, the highest sale, and the average sale price. Okay, so as you can see right here, the average sale is pretty high, right? It looks like the highest one was around $346,000, which is the same price of a Bored API Club NFT, but this is a different type of breed, right? It is a different type of artwork. And as you can see right here, you can see the top artists in the 30 days range, 12 months, also in the last 7 days, okay? SuperRare, also they do have their own token, right? Their own governance token that is used in the marketplace. And the way you use the marketplace is very simple. Again, you click on sign in right here. You can select your wallet, okay, and it will be connected to the marketplace. And after that, you can start buying your own NFTs. Okay, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite NFT marketplace, whether you prefer OpenSea, which is more accessible, a bigger volume, more projects, more mainstream, Rarible, or SuperRare. Which one is the one that appeals you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to check all the links with all the bonuses, all the sweet deals that we are bringing you every single day. All right, if you like this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified about this time sensitive videos. I'll see you in the next.